Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to start freelancing on Fiverr in 2025, whether you're a beginner or just curious how to earn from your skills online. Fiverr is a freelance platform where clients come to hire people for digital services from graphic design and writing to video editing, programming, and even AI prompting. The best part, you can get started with no experience and no upfront fees. First, head to fiverr.com and sign up as a seller. Use your email, Google, or Apple ID. Once verified, go to your dashboard and click Become a Seller. You'll fill out your bio, skills, languages, and professional info. Keep it short but professional. Now, create your first gig. This is the service you're offering. Add a clear title like I will edit your YouTube videos or I will write SEO blog post. Set pricing in tiers such as basic, standard, premium, and write a strong description that explains what the buyer will get. Add images, samples, or videos to boost your visibility. Once your gig is live, buyers can message you or place orders directly. Communicate clearly, deliver on time, and always go the extra mile. Your ratings and reviews matter a lot. Fiverr takes a 20% commission, and you can withdraw earnings via PayPal, bank transfer, or Payoneer after a 14-day clearing period. If you want more orders, promote your gigs on social media or optimize with better keywords. And that's it. You're now ready to start freelancing on Fiverr in 2025.